Welcome back to another video.
We will be playing Starlet kart racing today. Let's start. Which one, Edwin?
Greenwood.
Okay.
Let's go. Stick to big boy.
You have to join me, Edwin. Ellie and Edwin
I am not
the
ready, so
best
to
at this.
I am Dodo.
I'm going to be...
I've made up
Snow.
names for everyone. Just letting you know. So if I call someone something weird, then that's because I gave them that nickname.
I'm going to be the electric kart. Zoom! I want to be tropical. But no, I have to look electric.
Yes, because you have an electric car. Ellie, this is there's a exhaust, like electric one.
This one?
Yeah,
That's lightning.
but it's electric.
I know.
300 or 150?
Which one? Easy or normal?
Easy. Because we are going to show them all of the different difficulties.
Yeah.
From easy to like hardcore and stuff. Oh, frick. Oh, I mean, oh fudge.
We can edit that part out, right?
No,
Okay.
we'll just have to act like it was never there.
Yes. If you're watching this video, act like it was never there.
I'm 4.
What if you said, oh, biscuit?
Ow,
I just ran into the wall.
Is that a bad word?
No. Just to let you know, I am the
Yeah,
one
she's
on,
better.
I'm the one
She's
on the
better
left.
too. She's better too.
Yeah, as you know, Edwin is the one on the right. He's in 3rd and I'm in 6th.
That's cool. I got some pretty overpowered like power-ups and
I
stuff.
ran into the wall again.
Mango is the leader of the Mango squad, which is my enemy.
Yeah, we don't like Mango. Mango and Marine.
Mango is not only my enemy, but both of our enemies.
So is Snow Mangoes. Edwin hates
Yeah, it's all of the mangoes. It's literally the mango group. Yeah, he just stole my power up, and he also hit me with something.
Oh, come on. I just passed Snow Mango.
Snow Mango used to.
Oh,
always
Edwin,
be
I see
first.
you.
Snow Mango was like always fifth.
Edwin, you have to use your key.
Use my what?
Key.
What key?
The top of the screen where it says what place you are. Edwin, you're first.
Oh, first, yay. Wait, why did I become small? Why did I become small?
Because somebody used a black hole on us again.
I thought that only happened when you're like first.
Nope.
It's never happened to me. The first one that happened to me is when I was first. Okay, this is actually a pretty good game for me so far. I've never actually been this good. Maybe it's just like the luck of the owners that made this game. They were like, this guy never wins and he's recording a video. Let's not embarrass him in front of like...
You
Seven
realize you
people.
just said that. Like,
Oh, damn. I mean, dang.
see, you just opened the chest with your wheel. Okay, not wheel.
What's a wheel? How can you use wheels as currency? Wouldn't that basically downgrade you because you can't like drive?
Where are you, dude? I can't find you.
Oh yeah, that's the first or
I'm
second time.
3rd.
I've never come first before.
Okay, let's just.
It's all mirrored, so I
just-
might just fix that quickly.
We'll just let you in.
Since everything's mirrored, I'm gonna fix it.
Fixed.
So let's continue.
Yep, I'm gonna continue.
You know, this is just gonna be part 1, which is easy. Rowan, don't touch it.
No, I'm looking at your game. So, Rowan, are you pretending to be the person watching it.
Yeah, I'm pretending that you
Oh wow, I just
finished.
got a massive boost.
I'm pretending.
Fire Mango stole my boost. Like, the Mango Squad always steals my boost.
I'm pretending that you finished the video and I'm watching it.
Yeah, we know. Okay, there you are. Edwin.
Wait, but bro, we have finished the video. We're just... Because how are the people watching it if we're still making the video?
Oh yeah.
Because we're not doing it live and we're also too young to do it live. I learned that the hard way by trying to make a live stream. Oh, I got rainbow. Oh wow, I ran into something but it didn't die. Oh yay, I'm third. Okay, I know, I'm fourth. Oh yay, I'm third. Oh yay, I'm second. I see Kozzolenko. I used to call Kozzolenko Kozzolenko.
Why do you just say that in the video, Edwin?
Because I can. And I'm a weirdo. Oh, I'm 8. Congratulations, Edwin.
I thought you said.
Nah, I'm switching between everything like crazy.
Babies.
Literal from last to third to fourth to third to fourth to third to fourth to
But why
third
is it
to
switching
fourth to
between
third,
them?
fourth to third. Just
Not
use your
anymore.
boost so they don't get muddled up of who you are.
Oh, I'm second. Oh, I'm first. Oh, I'm second.
That
Oh no,
was
I'm
me.
third.
I know you're third.
What am I doing?
You're fourth. You're
I'm so
fifth.
bad with these boulders.
Yeah.
You're fifth. You're sixth. You're fifth.
Mango, the leader of the entire squad.
You're sixth. You're seventh. You're eighth.
I hate mango.
I'm first.
Like Edwin.
I came 6th. Bro, first I came.
You're third.
I'm third. My name's Didoigo. Yeah, none of the mangoes got in front of us. Wait, where's-
D-do-do.
Where's Bubba? Oh, Bubba's not there.
It's Pipo.
Oh, Pio Pio. Wait, Pio Pio is the leader? Oh my god. Why is Pio Pio the leader? Why can't it be us?
People.
When I was in the red, dang.
And I didn't even think about my boost. I forgot I had the key. I forgot I didn't have the key, so
Ellie, you electrocuted me.
sorry. Didn't realize you were there.
This video polling
I
will
can't
get very
see behind me
popular.
unless I do that. Look. Hello.
Ellie, stop electrocuting me.
I couldn't see. I was
Okay.
looking behind me.
Damn. I almost said damn. Wait, no, I said damn. Oh, no, I said it again.
Reservoir.
Did I electrocute you? Ow.
You literally electrocute me. Ellie. Fire mangoes in front of me. Kill him. Stop him. I'll do it myself then. Haha, I hit him twice.
Haha. I hit you.
Why? How dare you? Ellie, seriously? You're gonna make me laugh? And I'm not gonna be, because I've never been on the podium.
Blah, 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 blah.
Ellie, you keep hitting me, stop.
I'm trying to get somebody else.
Use your power up boost, Edwin. You do.
What
Fire
is?
mango. Fire poopo.
Fire pooper.
Keepo?
Party pooper, which is called fire mango. Can
I
you?
got rainbow.
Ooh, rainbow.
Yay! Oh, fine.
I'm way ahead of you.
Are you sure about that? Or are you barely in front of me?
I'm so sure.
You're so sure.
Yeah, don't get too close.
I'm your
to
biggest
mine.
fan, so sure. Ellie!
What?
You made me fourth.
Sorry.
Poo-poo.
Bubba?
Ellie, stop hitting me.
I didn't know you would. What
look
if,
at my
what if
screen.
it's somewhere else and what if it's someone else and not me though? I we like multiple people can get the same power up as you.
Oh yeah, I'm first. Poo-poo.
Hey, that was my spot. Yay, I'm first.
Oh my god. Puzzle Kango.
I nearly
Puzzle
I mean Kozalenko.
Puzzle.
Wait, no, it's Kozalenko. Yeah, it's Kozalenko, not Kozalenko.
I just buzzed my name.
Kango.
That was me. I put that green thing in your face, you know.
How dare you? I'm second now. Poo-poo.
I know.
Don't use electricity. I'm right behind you.
Pew!
You are so lucky. You are a lucky ducky. Why am I in a Japanese thingy? Hanyo hanyo.
Pew pew.
Ellie,
Don't you pew pew me.
I am serious.
Serious.
Yay! P.O. B-boy, B-boy. I already know you're going to use it like... Oh my god! Oh my god. Ming, 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 ming.
Whee!
Ming, 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 ming.
Yay!
Yay! I beat P.O.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
We're still wreck. Oh god!
Oh! Pew!
I'm so good at staying in the sky.
I got big feet.
I was thinking about feet.
See, I didn't get you this time. I didn't hit you with electricity.
Congratulations for not hitting me with electricity for the first time.
I nearly hit you with electricity.
poo-poo. You're grounded.
And be grounded. Rowan's grounded.
have to
Ellie's
fart.
grounded.
That stank.
I'm lucky I can't smell it here.
Bro, I bet literally our viewers can smell it while they're watching this. I'm checking.
This little guy.
I'm trying to beat Fire Mango. I'm trying to beat Fire Mango.
Edwin,
Yes?
just letting you know, I'm behind you. Like I'm close to you somewhere.
That's scary, Ellie. You don't have to scare me. P.O. You deserve to die. Go away.
I got rainbow.
Congratulations.
Pill.
Contact at Perth Kitchen.
I'm turd. I'm a turd.
Ellie, I'm first.
Ooh, you're first.
Pass Fire Mango. Pass Fire Mango.
Mango is right in front of me.
That's good. Pass him now. That's your literal job right now.
I passed him.
Congratulations, you are now number one.
Now Pio passed me.
Oh no, Ellie.
Ow! Oh, I did farties. Farties!
Thank God I didn't hear it or smell it.
Can you smell it?
No, luckily.
But it was a good one. I know where you live, Edwin.
I know where you live. You live on Earth.
Hey, stupid snow. I mean, poo-poo snow mango. Ow. We do not use the language stupid in this video.
Then why'd you just use it?
Exactly. Dude.
I'm first.
Ouch, I'm fifth.
Wait, no, it's not done. What the heck? Why is it not done? I thought it was done. I thought it was done. I found you finally.
What?
No, I got hit with the black hole.
That was me.
Poo-poo. Oh, there we go. Now I can use my boost.
Poo-poo.
I thought that it was the end. I thought that was first for good. Now I'm probably gonna get like last. Only because I jinxed it.
Edwin jinxed it. I'm fifth.
Uh-oh,
Okay, but I
Edwin
just
jinxed it. Jinxed what?
It.
The number one question of the day. What did Edwin jinx?
It.
Did he jinx it, or if he will lose or not lose?
He jinxed it.
Or did he jinx that he is bad at English?
He thinks that he's bad at English.
No.
He can't even
Yes.
say Kozalenko. He said
Yes.
Kokolenko.
No, he can say Kozolkenko.
Edwin first.
Yay, I'm second!
I'm second! No!
I'm on the podium! Podium!
I'm on the podium!
You're on the podium!
I'm on the podium!
You're on the
That's my
podium!
first time ever. You guys just watched me get on the podium for the first time ever.
He is the green guy and I'm the guy in first place.
The guy in third is Pio Pio, the leader of this entire race.
Pew pew.
So thanks for watching and bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.